Well, it says little passports on it. Do you know what a passport is?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, this is a passport. This is a real passport. And it's like a little book, and it has your picture in it.
Yeah.
When you were a baby and you didn't have any hair. And it has lots of important information about you in here, and you take this with you when you travel. And sometimes they stamp it and sometimes they don't, but this is a real passport. And when you visit another country, you have to take it with you. So this is called little passports.
Yeah.
So do you have any guesses as to what's inside? What do you think is in there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, well, let's open it up, okay? Let's open it up. Oh, goodness. What is it? What color do you see? Orange, yeah. Ooh, look at it. What is it?
I don't know. There's inside here.
What is it? Look at it. What is that? Do you know what that is?
Suitcase.
It's a suitcase. That's cool. Here, let's turn it. Let's put it up here. It says little passports. Look at that. It's a little suitcase. Okay, you gonna open it?
Yeah.
Lay it flat. Oh, you've got it open. Lay it flat. Oh, cool. It says this suitcase belongs to. What is that?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a little travel tag. So you like attach it to your suitcase, and you can put your name, phone, and address on it. This looks like a postcard. It has a plane and a little boy and a little girl and a little dog. This is a worldwide adventure. That looks like a really neat postcard. Oh, and there's a letter. That's cool. Fun facts about the world
It was a book.
in a book.
Sorry.
Yeah, look at that. And what is, ooh, that looks like a big map. Probably of the world.
Oh, stickers. Lots of stickers now.
Oh, some stickers, cool. Look at that, a map of the world. Can you see that? That's cool.
A puppy. I found a puppy.
Uh-huh.
And the boat. It will go.
Yep, and this is Mia, Max, and Toby. The dog's name is Toby.
Ew.
Oh, and see, like I said, there's stickers or stamps for your passports.
And here's some stickers.
Uh-huh. So there's suitcase stickers, so you can put stickers on your suitcase. So we'll have to look at all of this, and we'll have to do these activities together. This looks pretty awesome. So this looks like all the continents of the world. So it goes North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Did I get all of them?
Yeah.
Did I say all of them? North America, South America? Yeah, I did.
And we can go take one.
Oh yeah, there's a penguin on that one. That's Antarctica. Antarctica is at the very bottom of the world. It's really cold in Antarctica. Okay, well, I think this is going to be fun. Are you looking forward to doing these activities? Yes? All right, we'll have to make more videos later soon, and we'll show how all these activities have been and how much fun they have been. Do you remember what a passport is?
I don't know.
You don't remember what a passport is? Remember, a passport is a little book with your picture and information, important information about you that you have to take with you on your travels. So we hope you enjoyed watching our unboxing of little passports today. Yes. And if you'd like to see more of these little passports adventures that we're going to be taking soon, please hit the red button below and hit subscribe and comment with any questions you have about little passports, and we are happy to answer any of your questions. May the adventures that lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that inspire you to be the best teacher and mom God created you to be. Have a happy day. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Hey, don't be rough with it.